What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here in LA, Los Angeles, California, and I'm only here for one day, and I didn't really come here to skate. I kind of just came out here to vibe and chill. My sister has some errands to run, and I kind of just wanted to film and vlog and just hang out with my family. So that's what this video kind of is. Don't really expect too much skateboarding, but you can expect just really cool cinematic shots of like just things that I saw. I've been trying to like practice my filmmaking and storytelling and just like having fun with my camera, and just, you know, going out and filming stuff is just always really cool, and then also bringing you guys along for the adventure. So that's kind of what this video is just me exploring LA and bringing you guys along and just showing you guys all the cool things that I saw, including this mural thing was just so cool. Like, there's just so many things going on that I really didn't get tired of looking at it. Like, I could just keep finding new things within it that is just crazy. But you know, I had to get a skate clip on it as well. And yeah, I'm out here in LA. I kind of like LA, but I don't think that I would live here. I think that it's really crowded and it's also kind of dirty, and I don't know, I just don't think it's a place for me to live, because I kind of like having open space like I do back in my hometown Las Vegas, where I could just like go outside and there's just nothing but desert or like blank roads. But out here in LA, it's not really like that, you know. If you go outside, you have to worry about things like the homeless, or even just like security guards guarding up parking lots or skate spots and stuff like that. So I don't know, it's a win-lose, you know. LA's cool, but also kind of maybe just not for me, maybe not my thing, but I do like visiting here and it is still fun. Real quick, I want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Spotify. I use this app pretty much every single day without fail. This is my go-to platform when it comes to listening and discovering brand new music. They're launching a brand new feature called Jam, and basically it allows all of your friends to queue into the same playlist. This feature is perfect for road trips, for group skate sessions, for hanging out with a lot of your friends all at once. I used this feature today on my road trip to LA, and it was really cool for all of us to queue in songs that we like but still jam together on the same ride and the same playlist. So next time you're with your friends, try to start a jam, and it's as easy as tapping your phones together to all connect to the same queue, and then from there you guys can all load in your favorite songs. But if you guys run out of songs to queue, you can let Spotify do the work for you and choose songs based on vibes that you guys all listen to already, and you guys will all have control of the playlist. Everyone can rearrange, delete, skip songs. So it's really intuitive, it's really cool. It'll definitely make road trips and sessions a whole lot more fun. So give it a try when you're with your friends, and thank you again, Spotify, and let's get back to the video. Alright, we are here at the mall, and I hate going to the mall because usually I like buy stuff that I don't need, and you guys have seen my room. I just have so many things, but luckily this time, you know, I just looked around and I actually didn't buy anything, so thumbs up to me for not actually buying stuff. And my sister had things that she needed to do, but she didn't really get them done like she wanted to, so we kind of just explored around a little bit. We went and walked the dogs, and then we also went up to the 6th Street Bridge. I've actually never walked on this bridge before. This is my first time actually going up there.
The only thing is I didn't bring my freaking board right now, so I won't be able to skate up here, but we will get to walk and explore and see it, so let's go ahead and check it out.
Walking up to this bridge was really cool. It was really cool to see in person, especially because you see this in like videos and movies and stuff, so I don't know, it was just cool.
Wow, look how big this freaking arc is. I think I saw Jay and Ashton skate on top of one of these, bro. That's freaking insane. But it does look really beautiful, and I don't know, it's just super sick. Dude, I can't believe they skated on top of that. That thing is crazy high.
I know a lot of people like to climb up on those arches and take cool photos and do whatever, and while sometimes it can be cool, just remember that your guys' life is valuable, and all it takes is one tiny mistake to completely mess everything up, and it's just not worth it for the Instagram likes. Alright, the sun is going down, and one of my favorite things to do in life is just to go out during sunset and just to put on some good music and just watch the colors of the sky change. It just puts me in a good mood and it just gives me a boost of serotonin. So I don't know, maybe you guys should try it. It makes me feel really good. But anyways, my family's going out to a concert and I decided to stay in. I was gonna go out to a skate park that's about a mile away from here, but it ended up getting really dark and late and I didn't want to deal with any unsafe situations, so I decided to just stay in, watch some Luis Mora, a race crew, and hang out with my dog friends, you know, just chill out and vibe out because that's more of my vibe most of the time anyways. And then early the next morning, we had to leave and go back home so that we can go back to our regular jobs, our regular life. I have to go back and edit this video and, you know, work on things. So we left early in the morning so that we can get back early in the morning. And that's the way it goes when you're just doing a one-day trip, you know. You're there for one day and then you go back. But again, the sky, the colors changing, the sunrise also as beautiful. So I love it. Alright, it is later the next day and I am back home in my hometown, Las Vegas, Nevada, and I usually don't ever go out. Like, I just like to stay home and just work on my videos and stuff, but I had some friends who were going out tonight and I also have another friend who's performing and we all wanted to go see him. So we're here at the Luxor, the pyramid thing in Las Vegas with the light beam shooting out of the top of it, and they have this like video game tournament arena thing here with like a stage and stuff, and it's pretty sick. Right here we have my friends playing different games. My friend Christian's playing Rocket League, and then my other friend AJ was playing Apex. So these computers are unlocked and you can kind of just hop onto any one of them and just play any game that you want, really. So I don't know, it's so cool.
Alright gang, we about to just play games, I guess.
They also had alcoholic beverages if you are of age. I am over 21, so I can drink alcohol. But not only that, the drink names were named after things from like Final Fantasy or Pokemon. So everything in here is like video game theme, and it was just a really cool vibe.
Shouts to my light guy.
This is the drink that I got. It was called Diamond Dust, and that's from Final Fantasy. And then we just went back to the computers to play some games. My homie Alex was on the stage. He was performing, playing a set. And then me and my friends were just loading up whatever game that we wanted to play. I think we decided to play Fortnite. And not only that, we got the whole squad to come through and have a party. And then, yeah, it was just a great time. Like, I don't ever play, I don't even have a computer set up at home. So this was just a cool experience for me, and then just having my friends there with me just made it all the more better. So I don't know, check this place out if you ever get the chance. But that was kind of the end of the night, and then just to end it off, you know, we got a little bit of skateboarding and some breakdancing.